So this is pretty funny. You can see the white boat coming out over there. That's sort of where we set our prawn trap. We're just on the outside of Long Harbour. So from all the way over there to all the way here. And look at the current. That's crazy. It's gonna be. Got a lot of kelp.
A lot of kelp. We caught kelp.
And some baby crabs that are all going back. Yeah, it's a beautiful day to be on a boat.
There's a rock crab.
All right, so last time we were in Montague, we anchored over there. But today, we're gonna come in, maybe get some fuel and some ice cream. There's actually a couple good spots. This one's for Marg. It's called the Springer one. And it looks like a Springer. All right, the lovely gentleman at the dock, gas dock, said we can park and go up for ice cream. The Crane and Robin restaurant. It is smoking hot. Smoking hot today. I love the book selection. Right? Always pack a candle. And the Hidden Life of Trees. The flavor you getting, Dave?
Espresso.
Espresso?
Yeah, it's all over here.
What a fun store. Hey, there's your little
It's on the underside. 12.99.
Although raspberry cheesecake looks good, and so does Tiger.
I have a story about Liz, my friend Liz and Tiger.
Oh, yeah.
Probably not appropriate right before you're eating. Great selection of Salt Spring Kitchen, which we love. Good fridge freezer section. Fresh produce. I love how they've displayed their books. We got ice cream. What flavor did you get?
I got espresso.
And I have raspberry cheesecake.
Ooh, it looks good.
Oh, it's delicious. Such a fun store with absolutely everything. A pocket fishing rod. Local coffee from Galiano Coffee Roasting Company. You can't go to Galiano Island without riding the famous Hummingbird Pub bus. The musical gentleman has retired, but word has it the new driver is just as much fun. And the prettiest little golf course in BC. We are leaving the marina and heading to the Montague Harbour Provincial Park. Visitors can moor their boats to one of the 35 mooring buoys in the harbor, or come by ferry and camp in one of the scenic vehicle accessible or walk-in campsites. For boaters, the dock facilities cost $2 per meter per night, with boats restricted to under 11 meters or 36 feet. The mooring buoy fees are $14 per vessel per night and are restricted to boats under 14 meters or 45 feet. Mooring fees are $14, effective after 5 p.m. Reservation by dinghy prohibited. One boat per buoy.
It doesn't say a foot restriction, does it?
Well, I know in the Wagoneer guide it said 50 feet, 40 or 50 feet. We'll have to check that. This is the flip side of Montague Harbour, also referred to as Montague Harbour, with good anchorage and everything but a northwest wind. This side also has another beautiful beach, and you can see through to the other side. All right, that's the other side, the campsite. And now we are going to head, we might go to Walker's Hook and back to Long Harbour. All right, this is the top side of Parker Island. There's a gorgeous little cabin in there, hard to see. But what a great bay and a beach. Pretty amazing places to picnic. And then up here is Sphinx Island. Oh, I guess it's a power plant. You see in there, try and zoom in, there's some power lines. The end of the power line. And that's still Parker Island. The Parker Island Power Plant. Don't quote me, I will look it up.